Good morning to all. Today at Narayana E-Techno School, Madanandapuram, we'll be observing or we'll be knowing some of the important facts with related to Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. So with reference, we'll be having the history, theme and significance. Indian Armed Forces Flag Day 2020 will be observed in the country on December 7. Some of the important facts are as follows. It is an annual day that is observed to honor the men in uniform who serve our country. The day is an ode to all of the soldiers of our country. People pay their respects to the soldiers in whichever way they can. Soldiers are one of the greatest assets of any country, and they hold a greater significance in keeping the country intact. As Indian Armed Forces Day 2020 is coming in this present day, the armed forces history, significance, and these are some of the important points we have to know. On August 28, 1949, a committee was set under then Defense Minister of India. The committee decided that Flag Day will be observed annually on December 7th. The primary idea behind the Indian Armed Forces Flag Day was to distribute small flags to the civilians and collect donations for the soldiers in return. Over the years, the day has gained more significance as it considers that it is the responsibility of the general population of India to take care of families of the armed forces personnel who fight to keep the country safeguarded. Indian Armed Forces Flag Day 2020 theme. There is no specific theme about the Indian Armed Forces Day 2020. The day is an ode to all uniformed soldiers of a country who protect the civilians at all costs. People also wish each other a happy Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. Significance: it becomes the duty of citizens of a country to not only show our admiration for the living heroes who are wounded while doing their duties, but also their families who have been a crucial part of the sacrifice. The Indian Armed Forces Flag Day is mainly observed to rehabilitate those wounded in battle casualties, for the welfare of serving soldiers and their families, and the welfare of ex-servicemen and their families. It has gained immense significance as it brings to the forefront of commitment of looking after our war disabled soldiers, Veer Naris and families of martyrs who have sacrificed their country for the lives for the country. Thank you on behalf of the management. So at Narayana E-Techno School, Madanandapuram, we'll be creating the awareness about the Armed Indian Forces Flag Day. Thank you all.